All right, we are back. Unfortunately, we had a battery issue on a phone, which all of a sudden caused our signal to die rather quickly. So that's why we're where we are right now. So we're gonna, the rest of our episodes we're going to have to take, and tonight we're going to have to record, but they'll still be as good as ever. And we're going to try some different things that we've been still doing. All right, let's try some wood knocks now. We're going to move the camera around so we can catch the tree. And of course, I'm still with John and Avery. They're just off camera here on the side.
Yep.
Here we are. I'm sweating.
Can you hold the microphone?
Yeah.
We're going to rotate, bring the camera forward again.
I want to do a wood knock.
You want to do a wood knock? All right. Just watch the cable here on the mic, or the cable mic. Okay, let's move forward here. Oh wait, actually, just turn it right here. It'll work. Where's the tree? Here's the trees.
Someone's gonna have to be right behind me of me doing that because I get very scared.
All right.
Someone's gonna have to stand.
Okay, we got plenty of room cable.
Oh, wait. But I'm up here. You need a lot of them staying with you? You're going to be right here with them. Huh? I'm going right to that.
Just watch. There might be some poison around here, though.
Yeah.
So be very careful.
Who should hold this?
Fine. Is it okay if
I can hold the microphone.
flashlight to do this?
Yeah.
Or?
Oh yeah. Turn the flashlight on so you can see what you're doing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because otherwise you can't see what you're doing.
Wait, do you want me to knock first? You knock it. You want to knock first? What is it? Just
Hit it hard.
one
Yep.
hit?
It might be easier to do it with one hand. Amazingly.
I mean, just one smack?
Try just one hard smack. Be careful, because probably do it one-handed because it hurts your hand.
Is that loud enough?
Try one more. That's better. Good job. Did we get him on the camera? Oh yeah, we did. There he is.
Yep.
This time let's do one more like the second one you did. Just one. Yep.
I think I did no.
Can you try one more louder?
Yeah, this time I'll just try to do it. I know the best way to do it.
Yeah, the bat's starting to crack. The bat's starting to crack a little bit. I just hit the hand, at the handle. Near the handle.
I don't see anything.
Supposedly it is.
Oh yeah, I do see that.
Yeah. It's still doable, workable though.
Probably like if you hit it like a little bit more times there, it's just gonna snap.
You want that you knock one?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Avery.
Snail
Good job,
shell.
buddy.
A snail shell.
Great job.
You want to use this or?
It's a snail shell.
That's cool.
You gotta walk. You look. Shine where I'm walking up. Okay.
I wanna
Just so
follow
I
it.
can see this little.
No,
Look, you want to sit?
Yeah, be careful because there could be a lot of poison there, Avery.
Yeah.
Since you have shorts on.
You should stay back.
Kill that spider.
Hey, we're filming, bud. Hey, no, don't talk for fun. Alright, shine up here so you can see. You ready?
That's perfect. Perfect.
Do it over.
Yeah, go ahead. Well, Stacy, 1 second. Why don't you stay up there for a moment? Stacy, why don't you try a call?
Me try a call.
A woman call, yeah. Woman call from a woman.
With the speaker?
Or I got it.
All right.
You don't do it.
I'm just gonna do the whoop.
Yep, do the
I
whoop.
can't do the whole guy.
Yeah, you don't have to do. You don't have to do the guy.
All right.
I don't do it very well. I cough after every time I try it.
All right. Mm-hmm. Whoop!
That was excellent. We're constantly getting owls, though.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can turn a little bit more. There we go. Hold on a minute.
Did you hear something?
No. I wish I did. Just the owl still. I'm gonna try one of the more conventional ones. Can you hold this?
Sure.
Then we'll do a wood knot. I try not to cough too much after I do it. Ah! That one was really tough on me. I'll take back the microphone. Wait one moment here. All right, go ahead in the wood knot. Why don't you try two?
Two of them?
Yep, try two. Good.
Another one?
Yep. I hurt my hand doing it too.
The shockwave.
Yeah. Yeah, the shockwave is a killer.
Maybe one hand is good.
It's what?
Maybe one hand is good.
That's why I use one hand.
That's hard for me for one hand.
That's the thing. If you're an adult, it's a lot easier one-handed. One hand's tough when you're your size.
Yeah, this is how I do it. That's all I can do.
Another owl. Let's try again. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try the loan again. My voice is recovered enough. I'm gonna try not to do it as well. That sounds stupid. Try not to do it as well.
You probably do it well, but
Yeah, but it's not that well. Ah! do it right away, just in case it's not an owl. Ah! I think he's coming closer. Another owl. I think probably, perhaps the same one, a little bit closer. Just in case, why don't we try it again? Because he did come closer. In case he's not an owl. Try a loud wood knock. Try a loud wood knock now. Because that guy's fairly close. Yeah, he's fairly close.
Mm-hmm.
Try one more. It's got assuming it's an owl. That's almost got to be an owl. There's almost no way. That's really good. Let's try it again though. Yeah, shine the light just in case he does fly overhead here.
Yeah.
Ah!
I've been chased by an owl before.
Have you really?
Yeah.
They are territorial. It's what?
No, I was trying to shine it down. Not the, like, it's one side.
Well, my guess is what we'd probably do is do a low flyover. If it's that concerned about us. Which we might see it. Well, maybe that's what happened the last time then. We just drew in an owl the whole time. But there was the moaning sound at the beginning was not at all an owl sound though. Is he still closer? Or same
About the
spot?
same.
I seen something when I first came. I seen something walk across the road.
Is that what you saw something walk across the road?
Yes. When we first came in.
Uh-huh.
And I was like flashlight back there. I seen like something like this. To the forest over there. I actually seen something. I seen like a white figure going across. And it literally looked like a monkey, but Bigfoot kind of walks like that.
Well, that's cool.
It looked like it was kind of big.
All right, we'll do a call back so you get another reply, Owl. Ah! He's pretty.
He's a little closer that time. Yeah.
He's consistent though.
Uh-huh.
Right on top of it.
Oh yeah, he's pretty close to us.
Here, let me show you where I seen the thing move into. Right there.
Right through there's where you saw it?
Yeah, right there. It was over here at this forest, and it was jumping over, like, right into the forest and, like, walked away.
Let's try it again, see if we happen to get the owl to come closer, or do a fly through here. I don't know if we'll catch it on camera, but if we catch it on camera, we're in trouble because it's going to be really low.
I will be able to get the camera.
Ah! left for a moment.
I know.
It
Like,
was
well,
quiet
that
for a
timing,
moment or
yeah,
two.
That was kind of a late response.
Yeah. Because usually he's immediate response. I'm sorry, what? I think the car did make a noise, but it could have been. It's hard to tell what it was. Could have been some kind of heat thing.
Probably a squirrel's in
That's
the
what
tree,
it
like
sounded
crawling,
like.
and
It
a
was
stick
heat.
broke and fell. It sounded like the owl was like right over there.
The owl's what?
It sounded like the owl was like right over there. Pretty far away, but like pretty close.
Oh yeah, he's not far away at all.
It's probably like right there. Like over there.
Let's try imitating the owl sound. That wasn't a very good impression, but the good thing is for owls, you don't have to be good. Well, maybe you do, because he hasn't made a noise back yet.
Maybe I can try one.
Oh, there he goes.
I have a good owl.
You what?
I have a good one.
Go ahead and try it. I don't know if he's going to come check us out or if he's still keeping his distance. All right, I guess we need to give up on him.
I was like, ooh, and he was like, ooh, and just kept calling.
It's cool that we're getting that, but I'd rather him taking. John, do you have an impression of an owl?
Now?
An owl, yes.
I used to be able to do it years back. I could roll my tongue and I could go with it. And I can't get the sound to replicate anymore.
If you could do that, you would be really good.
Yeah, I know. I like it doesn't sound good anymore now. It's just like
Ah!
used to hum so loud. Sound perfectly like that.
With what?
I used to be able to hum with my tongue curl.
Uh-huh.
Sound just like an owl.
Oh, wow.
But I can't do it.
That would have been really cool.
Where is the flashlight? Do you have it?
I think John has one.
I have the laser pointer.
Maybe I do have one in my pocket. Do I? Yes, I do. Didn't realize I did. There.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
What?
You have a flashlight now?
No, all I have.
No, he didn't have it. I turned it on. I had it in my pocket. Didn't realize I had it.
That's me just throwing sticks. I've been just throwing sticks over there.
All right. Well, I think we're going to take a momentary break,
I think
Then we'll
somebody's
come
getting
right-
sleepy.
and then we'll come right back to you and
Uh.
and see what happens. We're still getting the owl sound at least. Hopefully, that's actually come across on the camera. We're getting a great horned owl reply back, so that you know what kind of call we're getting back. In case it's not, but we'll take a little break, then we'll come right back to you. Thank you.